Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the repository on GitHub and immediately cloning it. This gets you into the workflow. Initialize README and git ignore so your project starts clean. Once done, install git set user, name and user, email, and add an SSH key to your account so pushes are seamless. Then clone the remote into a project folder, create a descriptive branch for your first feature, and make a small commit. This confirms your connection and establishes a repeatable commit habit. You now work iteratively. Create a feature branch and make focused, atomic commits. This keeps history readable. Make sure your git ignore excludes secrets and large files, and use git add p to stage precise changes. When a logical milestone is reached, push the branch to GitHub and open a pull request. This enables review, CI checks, and discussion. If tests pass and you're confident, merge via the interface or command line. Finally, pull main back to your local copy to stay synchronized. You finish by creating a release tag and updating the README and changelog so future you understands changes. Make main a protected branch, enable CI to run tests automatically, and add code owners for review responsibilities. These steps reduce accidental breakage. For deployment, attach build artifacts or use actions. If something goes wrong, check CI and runtime logs first, then either revert the faulty merge or open a hotfix branch. Apply a minimal fix, test locally, and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.